What's up, YouTube? This is a quick video because I did get this in. As you can see, it's the Supreme Air Force 1 Mid, the Nike Supreme and NBA collab. I just wanted to record my initial reaction to it, to me opening it, to me seeing it. I opened it, but then I closed it back up to get my initial reaction for you guys. It came in just a brown box. I was gonna show you the box, but then I told you no. And I did want to use this fisheye lens kind of for more of a wider angle. As you can see, that's without the fish angle. And this is with. So it's gonna be like a subtle thing that's gonna be to make my videos better. If you guys do like it, let me know. If you don't, just let me know. But let's get into this. I don't want to make it a long video. But you do open it like this, as you can see. Air Force 1 Mid Supreme 10.5. I am a 10.5. And I wish I got the white ones. These are the black ones. The white ones were way better in my opinion. But you know, some people like the black ones more. And to be honest, these are my first Nike, well, not first, but I don't usually wear Nikes. The only ones I do wear are SBs. This is like the first shoe that I basically bought that's over $100. I usually buy Vans. I don't know if you can see. Vans are pretty much what I wear. And this is like the first pair of like any like high shoes, if that makes sense. Oh, okay. Okay. Here you go. Look at the little screen printing. Mine's already fucked. Let me get closer to the light. As you can see, it's a little bit scratched, but you do have some of the NBA teams pretty much just like printed on there. They're not patches, they're not like sewn on there, whatever. It's just pretty much printed on there. Chicago Bulls. So far, it's looking good. You got Supreme, and I'm pretty sure this is right here on the strap is embroidered. And this is the other side. You got the Pistons, Nets, 76ers. Overall, it looks like a pretty good shoe. Let's look at the insoles. Hold on. These are for the personal. I know there's some resale, but not a ton right now. I'm trying to get the best lighting in there, and it's not working. I mean, as you can see, there's like, you got Supreme and Nike, and then you got some of the teams in there as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if you want to see the other shoe. Basically the same thing. but with more different teams. This one's not fucked up. You got Lakers on this one. Golden State Warriors, pretty much the same thing. Supreme on the strap, Nike and Supreme on the tongue, and then on the inside you got Supreme and Nike. That's pretty much the shoe. Yeah, I think the white ones look pretty much better, in my opinion. But oh well. And I took an L on the sneakers app. That shit went too fast, and I don't know. The app was weird. Let's put these back in. And I do have a video coming up tomorrow, or maybe no, Friday. I have a video coming up Friday. I got some pallets that I'm going to be unboxing. The pallets is resale because I would have gotten my size, but my size went out too quick, so I just decided to resell them. And that's pretty much it. See you guys tomorrow, Friday.